Hello, I'm Annabel from V Rouleaux, and this we are doing from the 100 V Rouleaux colours. Dark Damson this month, colour of the month. Dark Damson, fantastic time of year because that's when the dark damsons are all ripe and ready. And on this board here we've got these lovely, lovely different ribbons. I always say lovely because everything is gorgeous at V Rouleaux. Here we have a dotted grey tape. Grow grains, we have lovely grow grains at V Rouleaux, hundreds of different colours. Dark damsons, really dark plummy colour. This is a Pico velvet, lovely gimps that you can use for upholstery or wearing on clothes. Veiling, a very nice sort of coming up to the autumn veiling for hats. These jacquard tapes. And small things like a Russia braid, tiny little Russia braid, which you can use for lampshades. So that's dark damson on our board. And then we've got lots of lovely ribbons here. These, which I'd like to show you because they all look so good undone. Gorgeous pattern on this one. It's a jacquard ribbon. And we have the Russia braid. This is quite a good thing to talk about because not everybody has Russia braids these days, and it's really used a lot for fashion and using for buttonholing and for bridal. Imagine your laced up skirt or your laced up bodice with this one. And gimps, really lovely delicate gimp. This has got a really nice little trim inside it. It's a great thing for covering footstools or putting around lampshades. Talking about colour and how using dark damson with other colours and mixing them in, I've brought a few examples. These are all hand woven little silk ribbons, and you can see that they all cross over, and those are great with a lime green, a very pale plum and purples, and this is actually woven ribbons on the top of this stool. And then great fun to bring bigger pieces of furniture and show you how dark damson would work on a piece of furniture. We've got a hand screen printed dark damson design on this dip dyed old velvet. So it's a vintage velvet, but then you can see how cool it is to have a lovely lilac ribbon piping tape as a detail. And then it's so nice. I always love using old ribbons with V Rouleaux to cover furniture. So this is a vintage piece, and how you've got a sort of really orangey brown, a lilac, and then the dark damson here. Going along to another beautiful piece of example of dark damson. This is a stunning fringe, and if you get really close, that's a really dark damson colour, but then with this fantastic golden fringe, dip dyed fringe. Just a beautiful shawl for wearing. I mean, it's an evening shawl. So it's dip dyed fringing, dark damson and an amazing gold. Dark damson tiebacks, an old piece that we made years ago, which is dark damson chenille cord, and then why not have a lovely ribbon tassels. That's dark damson from V Rouleaux's 100 colour guide.